Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about make English part of your life. Let's dive into today's video. If you want to improve your English language, you have to stay with English every single day. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to learn this language. If you want to be successful, you have to study English language every single day. Even if you have a busy life, at least try to study English language 15 minutes, 20 minutes every single day, and it is going to be great for you. And when the time goes, you are going to learn English language. Every single day, try to stay with English language. Trust me, 15 minutes studying English language every single day is better than studying 3 hours once a week. You have to stay with English language every single day. You have to make your studying regularly. At least try to study English language 15 minutes every single day. Even if you have a busy life, try to stay with English language 15 minutes every single day. This is really important for you to improve your English language. If you study English language every single day, if you make this one of your habits in your daily life, it will be so easier for you to improve your English language. Technology will definitely help you to improve your English language. All you have to do is just know how to use technology in a good way to improve your English language. There are millions of people are trying to learn English language, and they are just using technology in a good way to improve their English language. And you should also do that to improve your English language. You have to be really smart about using the technology in a good way, and if you do this regularly, trust me, your English is going to be great, and every single day you are going to learn new information about English language. For example, you can use YouTube to study your English language. You can watch a lot of different English videos on YouTube, and if you do this regularly, you are going to improve your pronunciation skills. You are going to learn new English words, and this way you will be able to expand your English vocabulary. After you expand your English vocabulary, it will become so easier for you to speak with the native speakers. Watching a lot of YouTube videos every single day will definitely help you to improve your English language. There are amazing channels on YouTube that you can follow them, and you can start watching their videos every single day. Every time you watch those videos on YouTube, you are going to improve your English language. There are a lot of native speakers who has YouTube channels on YouTube. If you can follow them, they are trying to upload a new video every single day, and every single day you have an opportunity to watch to their videos. If you do this regularly, your English is going to be great, and you can improve your English language in this way. You have to be really consistent about your studying, and you have to make English part of your life. If you do this, you will be unstoppable, and you are going to learn this language. All you have to do is just be patient about learning English language. You are not going to learn this language in 1 week or 2 weeks. It takes a lot of time for you to learn English language. You have to try to make your listening studying every single day, and when the time goes, you are going to improve your English language. English movies, English TV shows, or you can watch English news channels. These are going to help you to improve your English language. There are a lot of great podcasts on YouTube. If you can listen to those podcasts, you can improve your English language, and this way you are going to learn great information about English language. You're just gonna have to try to make your listening studying regularly, and everything is going to be great for you. When you make your listening studying, when you're watching these videos on YouTube, you have to pause the video, you have to try to sound like them. If you use this technique, your pronunciation skills is going to improve, and when you speak with the native speakers, it will be so easier for them to understand you easily. If you do this regularly, you are going to start pronounce the English words correctly, and when you speak with the people, they are going to understand you easily. This is really important. You have to use this technique. You have to listen to the native speakers all the time, and you have to pause the video, and you have to try to speak like they are speaking in the videos. This is a really good technique for you to improve your pronunciation skills. After you finish your listening studying, you have to try to read a lot of English books, English newspapers, English magazines or articles. These are going to help you to improve your English language. Anytime you read your English books, you are going to learn great new information about English language. You are going to learn new English words, new English phrases, and this way you will be able to speak English language easily when you are making your practicing with the native speakers. You are going to start thinking in English. This is really important because a lot of people are thinking in their native languages when they are speaking English language, and this is a really big problem for learners because a lot of people are complaining about this. They just want to think in English when they are speaking English language with the native speakers. If you read a lot of English books, English newspapers, or magazines, these are going to help you to think in English, and this is going to help you to speak with the people easily. If you want to improve your speaking skills, you have to start reading a lot of English books. Every time you read different English books, you are going to learn great new English words, and this is going to help you to expand your English vocabulary. This is really important when it's come to speaking English language. If you expand your English vocabulary, it will become so easier for you to communicate with people. Reading is one of the great methods that you can use to improve your English language. If you have a chance, just try to make your reading at least 15 minutes every single day, and this is going to help you learning English language easily. You have to try to read your English books every single day. You have to do this regularly, and after you do this regularly, you are going to improve your English language. After you finish your reading studying, you have to start making your practicing with the native speakers. As I mentioned before in this video, you have to use technology to find native speakers, and you can start speaking with them. There are amazing applications on the internet that you can find and you can download to your phone, and you can start making your practicing with the native speakers. These applications are going to help you to improve your English language. If you are just starting learning English, of course it was gonna be really difficult for you to speak with people, but every time you try to speak with people, it will become so easier for you, and you will get used to speaking with the native speakers. You might get really difficult times when you try to speak with the native speakers first time, but when you give it some time, when you make your listening studying every single day, when you make your reading studying every single day, after you make these studying methods every single day, it will be so easier for you to make your practicing with the native speakers. If you have a chance, you should definitely visit another countries to improve your English language. You should go to United States or England or Canada or Australia. These countries are speaking English language. If you want to improve your English language, you should definitely visit these countries if you have a chance. And after you do that, it will become so easier for you to speak English language. When I was studying at the university, I decided to go to the USA to improve my English language. First time, it was really difficult for me to understand people when they are speaking with me. But when the time goes, when I get used to speaking with the native speakers all the time, it really became easy for me to understand native speakers and speak with them. A lot of people are making mistakes when they are speaking English language, and they don't even care about making mistakes when they are speaking English language. And you should also be like that. You shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes when you speak English language. There are millions of people in this world are trying to speak English language, and trust me, most of them are making a lot of mistakes when they are speaking English language. You shouldn't be afraid. You should always try to make your practicing with people, and if you do this consistently, you are going to improve your English language, and it will become so easier for you to communicate with people. English language will give you a lot of advantages. For example, if you are making business internationally and you have to communicate with people from other countries, English language will definitely give you a lot of advantages. If you want to grow your business globally, you have to learn English language and you have to make English part of your life. I wish you guys best of luck. I hope you guys can learn English language. All you have to do is just make your studying every single day and stay consistent about it. When the time goes, everything is going to be great for you, and eventually you are going to learn English language. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will definitely help me to grow my channel. I'll see you guys in my another videos. Take care of yourself, everybody.